Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Reshade is running in your game so you can change keys safely. Once the overlay appears, open the Reshade settings panel and note the active toggle key. This helps avoid conflicts. Now exit the game and locate the Reshade. INI file in the same folder as the game executable. Make a backup copy of that INI file. That step protects you if a mistake locks the overlay. After backing up, reopen the INI in a text editor to begin editing values. You will now modify the actual hotkey lines. Once the INI is open, scroll to the input section where action entries live. Replace the existing key value with a clear key name or code. For example, set toggle menu equals F12 or toggle frame equals scroll lock. If you want combos, include modifiers like Control plus F12 or Shift plus Insert. Make sure they match the overlay's naming convention. Save the INI, then restart the game so Reshade reads the new keys. If you use numeric codes, double-check they're correct. Finally, test your changes in-game by pressing the new hotkey to open the Reshade menu and toggle effects. If the menu doesn't appear, make sure the key isn't captured by the game, full screen, or another overlay. Once identified, select a different key. If things still fail, restore your backup INI and try again, or run the game with administrator rights so Reshade can intercept input. One troubleshooting tip: choose a non-reserved function key like F9 to avoid conflicts and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.